Welcome to Basic Finance. Most people believe that building wealth requires a massive upfront fortune, but the mathematical reality is surprisingly different. In fact, the amount of money you start with matters far less than the specific date on which you begin. To understand why, you first need to grasp a concept that Albert Einstein reportedly called the eighth wonder of the world. This concept is compound interest, and it is the only reason a small sum of money can rival a large salary over time. When you invest, your money earns returns, but the real magic happens when those returns begin earning their own returns. However, knowing why to invest is useless without knowing how to access the market with a limited budget. This leads us to the most important innovation for modern investors, the fractional share. Historically, you had to buy a whole share of a company, which could cost hundreds or thousands of dollars, effectively locking out small investors. Today, brokerage platforms allow you to purchase a specific dollar amount of a stock rather than a whole share, meaning you can own a piece of the world's largest companies for as little as $1. But buying a single company is risky, which is why your small investment needs a safety mechanism known as diversification. Achieving diversification with $5 used to be impossible, but a financial instrument called an exchange-traded fund, or ETF, solves this problem instantly. An ETF bundles hundreds of different stocks into a single fund, allowing you to spread your risk across the entire market with a single click. Once you have selected a low-cost ETF, the success of your portfolio relies on a strategy called dollar-cost averaging. Instead of trying to time the market, you commit to investing a fixed small amount of money on the same day every single month, regardless of whether prices are up or down. This approach lowers your average cost per share over time and removes the emotional stress of market volatility. There is, however, one final trap that ruins most small investors before they ever see a profit. That trap is the temptation to withdraw funds early, breaking the compounding cycle we discussed at the start. Your money requires time to grow, meaning the most difficult part of investing with little money is not the math, but the patience to leave it alone. Thank you for watching Basic Finance.